The dreaded termites. I've been told it's not a matter of if you're going to get them, it's a matter of when. And even though this is not footage of my house, this is what happened to my house 2 years ago. I discovered that I had termites and I had to bring in a professional in order to treat my entire property because this is the kind of damage that it can do. So this is how it was actually treated.
Mark our holes and drill every 18 inches. We're using a product called Termitor HE. Termitor HE, you can drill every 18 inches instead of every 12 inches. Termitor SE, you drill every 12 inches. Termitor HE is high efficiency. It's got more material in it, so you don't have to drill as many holes.
Yeah.
You can drill farther holes. So he's marking the holes now to get ready to drill. And what I'm going to do is just kind of start pulling mulch or anything back from the foundation. So when the guys get here, they can start digging the trench.
They had to drill around my entire perimeter, even through the concrete and even through my back patio and in my driveway.
Oh my God.
Alone. Don't kill him.
I'm not. They're going to bite the mess out of you. I'm not going to run bite you.
Just get him out of there so we don't kill him. They're good spiders.
Oh God, you're going to touch it?
Here, I'll do it. Get out of the way.
Oh my God, that thing goes too fast. Wait, you got to take it. Don't throw it this way.
He's running like a squirrel.
He's fast. You know, you do have permission to kill it.
Oh no. You can't kill that.
Why? What's it eat? I guess you guys know better than I do.
Poison bugs, it eats everything.
Really?
Yeah, you don't want to kill him.
It'll eat your recluses and all that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you don't want to kill him. He's beneficial.
As long as he stays outside.
He is a biggie.
Yep, you're on your own.
You sure you don't want to take it with you? Oh gosh, oh my gosh, it's huge! Oh. Oh my gosh. Please don't let it crawl up into like some crack.
Big. Look how big he is.
I know, look at that. So after we were done playing with the spider, it was time to finish drilling the holes, and then they took me around the house and actually showed me evidence of where they had seen the termites. They were even caught up in the spider webs around the house. So I think this had been a problem there for a long time.
You see them all through there?
Oh yeah.
So you know that there's definitely
They're around.
a colony here, you know?
Yeah.
And it's always best to be proactive and don't wait to see termites coming through your drywall.
So how deep does the trench generally go?
This, with using HE, we go 4x4. A little bit better than what Mabel says. Mabel says with HE is 2x2. We like to go 4x4.
Okay. If you've never done a termite inspection, I highly recommend you bring in a professional, get it done, because it's better to be proactive, as he said. So it was about $1,800 for them to come and treat my property, and then I signed up to do a yearly inspection with them. It's like $125. They will come and inspect to make sure that they don't see any evidence of termites. Okay.
Say 20 feet across, you would have 2 4-gallons from here to here.
Okay.
Yeah. Using HE is 2 gallons every 10 linear feet. SC is 4 gallons every 10 linear feet. So we're using a higher concentrate. So less chemicals in the ground, you know,
Right.
but there's a lot more chemical in the solution itself.
So this really isn't a DIY job, is it?
I mean, there's people that do it themselves, but where they run into the problem is injecting it into the soil. Like this pump here,
Yeah.
it's a gas-powered pump, and it's pressured up to 150 gallons of pressure. So when he shoots this thing, it's coming at a high pressure, shooting it through the soil. A lot of people, what they do is they put it in 5-pound buckets, and then they just pour it in.
Oh, I've seen that done.
Yeah. But this here, you want to get this stuff deep and inject it into the soil, and then it's a star bit that shoots it out 360 degrees.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so 150 pounds of pressure coming through that, you get a overlapping and a deeper, because you want to get this stuff at least 2 feet deep.
Okay.
Termitor HE is 2 feet deep. Termitor SC, you want to get 4 feet deep.
Okay.
So the people, you know, like this right here, how would they would have to drill the holes, but they won't have they would have to have this set up in order to hit pump, to shoot it, inject it at a high pressure to get where it needs to get.
Yeah, see I was thinking that it's just like a regular hose where you just put it down there and it's just But this is like a high like a pressure washer.
Exactly.
But shooting it in 360.
Like if he would stick this thing in the air,
would it whip around like that?
It would shoot out like a star bit, 360 degrees.
Wow.
You know. So when he hits,
I just saw it. So when you put it into that hole, into the concrete, are you leaving it in there like, okay, we do 15 seconds per hole? Or?
Right. Yeah, it's 10 to 15 seconds per hole. Yep.
Now, when I was doing some research on termite treatments, there are other ways that I've seen people do it. In fact, I had someone come to do stakes in the ground, and that's nowhere near as aggressive as this, where you're actually sticking this thing in with this 360-degree pressure going into your soil around your foundation. So if you are treating your home for termites, definitely go with this treatment. This is not sponsored by any particular company, but this is what you want to do, and they will fill those holes around the concrete.
But this is what we use to monitor when we come back to do our yearly inspection. We'll pull out the stake, check for the sturdiness of the stake, and we'll check for the actual, if there's anything eaten on the inside of it.
Oh, okay.
Once we pull them, we replace them with fresh ones, and then we'll also dig around the foundation just to double check, just to make sure there's no other evidence of anything.
Okay. So I can tell you that my house was treated about 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago, and they have come back twice for yearly inspections, and they have not found any evidence of those wood stakes being eaten by termites. Now, I can tell you, I have found other evidence in my yard of wood being eaten by termites, but as they had explained to me, that's okay. You're going to have termites on your property. You just don't want them eating your home. So if you treat your property will be protected. And again, he said it's not a matter of if you get termites, it's a matter of when. So I'm going to urge you, definitely put a termite inspection on your yearly list of things that you need to do for your home maintenance. Believe me, this is something that you don't want to mess around with because it can cause a lot of damage. In fact, go down below to the comment section. I did do a podcast interview with the man who owns this company, and it was very, very insightful. So I think you're going to get a lot of value from that. All right, come back again next time because we're going to do another great video here at Thrift Diving. I'll see you next video.